In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use split screen on Microsoft Edge browser. So I have opened here my browser and I'd like to go ahead and search for the best hotels in Nairobi. Here is a list of hotels that are available in Nairobi that I would like to sample. However, the problem is if I go ahead and open one hotel, it will take me out of this page. So to manage this page well, I'll go ahead and split this screen so that I can sample through various hotels and still come back to this page that I initially opened. So to split this screen so that I have the two screens that can help me navigate, just go over to these three dots here and then tap on them and scroll down until you see the option called split screen. So if I go ahead and split screen, now you see I have two pages. So if I go ahead and click on this, you can see it is the same page as this. So I can now go ahead and start opening these hotels one by one and sample through them without having to worry about going back to the home page or to the initial page to do more sampling. And now I can sample as many as I want and I can still go back to this initial page. To exit this split screen, just go over on top here and you'll see this dark mark of two pages. If you go ahead and tap on it, you have now exited the split screen and now you have two tabs that are open for your work that you are doing. So that's how you use split screen on Microsoft Edge. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching and let's meet in the next video.